All right, so for changing the air filter on this 2015 Ford Focus, this bolt right here, go ahead, loosen it up just like so. Same with this one. Don't worry, just loosen them up until they are just sitting in there. There's one more right here, and there's one more sneaky bugger right here. And you just loosen that one up. From there, find it easiest to come over here. Just give it a good yank. This slips up, put it out of the way. From there, grab the air filter from right here, just pull it up like that on an angle, and wiggle it out, just like that. Inspect and replace. Just so it goes in like that. Then get your hand back here, and you have to keep pressing until it flexes around those two clips right there. And then you slip it down, and those two clips hold it sealed in right down there. So right there, sink these screws in. Remember, it's just tying into plastic. No need to go He-Man. Just keep it nice and tight, but not over tight.